you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Apex Legends, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Apex Legends completely and reopen it. This can often resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends server status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Clear cache. For console players, clear the cache by turning off your console and plugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC players, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting the cache folder. Step 4. Update the game. Ensure that Apex Legends is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your platform and install any available patches, as these can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This can resolve deeper issues that may be causing the loading screen to freeze. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue and enjoy playing Apex Legends again. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.